Welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how you can fix Facebook page unpublished problem. So basically I have two methods of doing this. The first method is for you to go to your Facebook app, and the second method is to go to the page directly. Okay, so let's start with the first method. So this is the first method, and when you go to your profile, you click on where your profile picture is. When you click on that, you will now see pages. Okay, we're going to see pages under this account. If I click on these pages, all the pages that this account is currently managing is here. Okay, so from there you can actually switch to any page that you want. So assuming you have that problem of Facebook unpublished problem, so you will find it among all these my pages. You can see that none of these pages has issue, but assuming you have that particular problem, this is where you will find those problem among these pages that you have here. Okay, so assuming you have the problem, you have just click on the particular page that has the problem. You actually see that this is the problem, Facebook page unpublished among this account. If assuming you had one, so you have actually click on it and request the review and tell Facebook that maybe there was a mistake or something else. So that's the first method of doing that. So the second method is for us to switch to our Facebook page. Okay, so I'll click on pages and I'm going to switch to the page I want to use for this tutorial. So after switching on that page, so what do you need to do? Just click on this your profile picture by your left hand side, and you scroll down to where you see these three lines here. So you're just going to go ahead and click on that. So after you click on that, you now see this page status, right? So when you click on that, you will now see this page has no issue. Like, good news, I don't have any violations on this page. I've never violated any rules from this my page, so that means this my page is in good health, right? So how to fix this problem? Assuming I have any issue here, I'll just go back to where my setting is. I'll click on setting here. So after clicking on setting, you scroll down to where you see this help and report. You click on that. So you now click on report a problem. You click on that. They'll ask you to check your phone, to go back, check your phone where you see that issue. Assuming we see the issue on our page status, or when we use our profile, we have just screenshot that particular problem that you had. Then you now click on continue to report a problem. Remember, whenever I want to report a problem on Facebook, always make sure that you have a screenshot of where you have that particular problem, so that Facebook will actually help you to fix that problem as well. So you now click on include. So this problem, assuming we have, let's just assume we had one, so it's on our pages. So we have just click on pages and we now describe the problem. So I'm going to link the problem in the description box or on the screen of this video, so that in case you have this kind of problem, you know the kind of message that you have to send to them. So you just click on upload from phone, and that is all for this tutorial. Please, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow this page for more tips like this, like those videos, leave your comment in the comment section, and bye. And I'm going to see you in my next video.